2 weeks free coaching is a very big part of how we start things with you. Why? We've found that when we get together with you one time, it's not really understanding what coaching is. We found that over 2 weeks of working together, we build a bit more of a relationship. We get to understand you, you get to understand us. You experience coaching, and then you decide if it's right for you. But from our side, we're also working out if you're coachable and if we can get the great results. Because we guarantee what we do, we want to make sure we can get the results. So, how does it work? First, we have a casual coffee meeting, and it doesn't have to be coffee, of course, but it's really about you and your coach getting to meet each other and work out as human beings if you get along. How do you relate to each other, sort of thing? And we don't expect to talk business in that chat, just finding out about you, what it is, how you got into business, how you ended up living here type thing. And just no pressure, just get to know each other. And if that works, at the end of that meeting, we'll give you an information kit all about the coaching and a questionnaire. It's 5 pages. And the next is that we're going to come visit your business, or we're going to come to your job site, or whichever way. We want to see your business in action and get a feel for the culture, meet some of your people if you've got team members, but really understand what the business is about. And that second session, we get to pick up that questionnaire, but get to meet you and your people in your environment and get a feeling for where you're at, where you want to go, and really look at the business overall. Third, we take that questionnaire back and we then go and do research about you, your business, your profession or industry, and get to know your business at a deeper level. And that leads us to the coaching session. So the coaching session will usually be online on Zoom, okay? And during that coaching session, we'll have a bunch of questions for you and usually leave you with some homework, some things to get going on, some strategies to get to work on immediately to get the business moving in the right direction. And fourth and final part of that first 2 weeks is the big actual diagnostic session. It's usually about 60 to 90 minutes, probably more like 90 minutes in most cases, where we go through a whole bunch of details, okay? And now we're getting into the real nitty gritty of the business, where you're at, where you want to get to, what are the main things that are happening right now, the biggest challenges you're facing, what are the biggest opportunities that you're looking at, and then how do we take advantage of that? How do you get the real results you're looking for? And start to plan out that first 90 days following the first 2 free weeks of coaching. And usually somewhere in that 2 weeks, you'll decide what level of coaching is right for you. Some people just continue on and do the learning, subscribing to maybe our newsletter or reading the books and watching videos. Others go right for that very high level one-to-one coaching. Either way, first 2 weeks is on us. We get to know you, you get to know us. And at the end of that, we decide at what level does coaching suit you, if it does. And then we work together to get your dreams and goals to become a reality in your business. So yeah, fill in the form. Let's get together, have that casual first conversation and get things moving so that your dreams and goals do become a reality sooner rather than later.